Wow, hindi may kakailan na sobrang bigat tinanga ng SB19 dahil alam nyo ba na nailathala sa CNA or Channel News Asia ang nasabi nga pong grupo. At nakalagay doon, Filipino pop group SB19 to perform in Singapore this August. The group, Pablo, Stel, John, Ken, and Justin will stage a one-night concert on August 24 at the Arena at Expo. Ibinahagi nga ng nasabing artikulo ang ilang mga detalye sa concert ng SB19 sa Singapore. Filipino pop group SB19 will be holding a one-night concert on August 24 at the Arena at Expo. The upcoming show is part of the band's Simula at Wakas World Tour, which now heads to Southeast Asia following their sold-out US tour. Ang halaga ng ticket ay narito po. The price range tickets are priced from $98 to $348 and are available via Systtic. Sa pera po natin, sa Pilipinas, ang $348 ay umaabot ng almost or kulang 18,000 pesos. Kung di tayo nagkakamali dahil 44 po ang conversion ng pera ng Pilipinas to Singapore. So, pinakamababa po ay nasa 4,000 hanggang 17,000 ang halaga ng ticket ng SB19. Napawaw naman ang isang netizen or isang fan na taga Singapore at sinabi niyang, wow, it's a big thing here in Singapore na ma-feature sa channel ng News Asia. Mula naman sa pagbabahagi ng mga fan, inihayag ni Lani Aklan, pagtatag documentaries now on Netflix. Nakanood na ba ang lahat? Some tips? Don't forget to love this and add to my list. If naka-family account ng Netflix nyo, I love this and I add to my list nyo sa ibang profile. Panuorin using other profiles, tapusin hanggang dulo at huwag mag-skip. As much as possible, panuorin araw-araw ang docu, share the link and hype this in all your segment. Engage sa mga posts ni Netflix PH sa FBX at IG about this documentary. So yun po ang panawagan ng nasabing fan na sila ni Aklan. Isang fan naman ang nag-rate sa nasabing nga pong concert ng SB19 at ang rate niya 15/10. No cap, arguably one of the best local concerts ever. The entire production was crazy. From the visual, stage design, and overall concept. A great representation of their growth and evaluation within the PH music scene. Everything felt meticulously planned and detailed. Setlistly told the story of their journey. Really outstanding vocal and dance performances from Pablo, Justin, Ken, Josh, and Stel. When Josh cried, we almost did too. Traffic and commute that day wasn't bad, surprisingly, even with the terrible weather that day. Anyway, Philippine Arena, isa po itong throwback na ibinahagi ng isang fan kung paano nga ba maglaan ng oras panahon, concert ang SB19 na talagang sulit ang inyong ibabayad. At yan ang ating Showbiz Snob Update. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.